Okay, we're back for round 2 at Acklington. Yeah, I think this is going to be a good one today. I hope this is going to be good than anyone else would imagine. Please stand back from platform 2, fast train approaching. Please stand back, platform 2. And please stand back from platform 1, fast train approaching. Please stand back from platforms 2 and 1. One of them sound their horns because I don't know which one is best. I don't know which one is best really. Here 1221. That's 800 111. The Zuma crossover for a start. Whoa. 2 Zumas for the price of 1. Got another 158. Yesterday it was 158,884 and this is 158,861 on the Chat Hill service. Maybe not today. Maybe not today. Alright, getting ready to go. 158,861 for Chat Hill. Well, at least it got me a wave or something like that. 158,861 bound for Chat Hill. I think he got me a thumbs up when I was walking to him. Alright, so here comes the Zuma after the Chat Hill bound 158. See who takes it. Nice. He's off to Edinburgh. There's a bit of hellfire. It's a Voyager for cross country. And 221134. Bound for Edinburgh Waverley. Fast from Bristol. And another Azuma bites the dust. Oh, almost the ugly. 800 102. He is off to Inverness. Or Aberdeen. I think it's Aberdeen or Inverness. Bit of an ill clear. What a legend. What a legend. 800 102. Stalker unit. About damn time. About damn time. He's across country. He's off to Birmingham. 221. He's off to Birmingham. Here's the return of 158861, bound for Carlisle. Calling at Widrington, Pexwood, Morpeth, Cramlington, Manners, Newcastle, Metro Centre, Prado, Hexham, Hayden Bridge, Riding Mill, Holtswhistle, Brampton and Carlisle. Enjoy Carlisle. Alright, fair enough. See you later, mate. That's made my card there. Whoa! Oh. And if you heard the driver there, but because he thought there was someone in that house there in platform 2. I don't know. Never mind. Whoa, hellfire.